folks, it's me again. What am I doing? Let's see. I'll probably do another weekly What's New. First, what's new this week? Not really. Same stuff. Just picked up a few things. Working on bikes, kids, family. It all works. So I'm probably will not lie this time. I'll probably make this weekly What's New that's shorter than 2 minutes. And what did I buy? Nothing. I picked up absolutely nothing new. I did find a place to get some bolts replated somewhere in Timbuktu, somewhere, which is kind of odd. I'm checking out 3 other places. I'm waiting for a reasonable quote locally, because apparently you can get a 5-gallon pail of nuts and bolts re-zinc plated for $100-something bucks. And I'm like, 5 gallons? That's a lot of bolts. So if it's cheaper, I might just take all the bolts and put them in a 5-gallon pail and just, what do you call it? Send them all. Send every one of them. But I have to make sure they don't remove the rust, and they don't. So basically, I have to de-rust all the bolts. So I'm probably gonna. I have 2 bags of fresh bolts that I might. I gotta find a place to get a smaller quantity done. So I'm gonna see if I can clean up some of the bolts, and then I'm probably gonna photograph some of the bolts. So because I put them in baggies, so I remember what they're for. So I might photograph the bags, and so I know exactly kind of what they look like. And so later on I can go, oh, that's what that's for. Because some of them I just don't know what the hell they are for. So with that said, that's pretty much it. There's nothing spectacular going on. I'm basically disassembling a bike, and soon I'm going to try to get the other bike running. And then I'm slowly moving I've moved a few things out of here. Basically, when it comes to moving, I moved a few things out of here that are just in my way. And I'm going to start by moving probably some bicycles and some other junk, just so I can get around here. For the most part, I don't want to put all my tools in storage, but I don't want to have to go there and get every single small thing. So I'm trying to take big things that just get in my way and get them out of the way. Like I got an engine on the floor here. I have an engine on the floor here and an engine on the floor back here. So I'm going to try to crate this one, and take some cables and bunch of shit like that. So with that said, thanks for watching, Toodles, and click some buttons and all that crap. And if you don't want to subscribe, you don't I'm not telling anybody you have to. I have no Patreon, all this crap. So if you want to support the channel, just watch the whole video. Just let it play. I don't even have to listen to it. So just let it play. It helps me out. It gets me watch hours. Or go to another video and just click play and open another window or something. So thanks for watching.